Hello everyone, today we are going to use force by pressing the clay to change its shape. Force, take your piece of clay and put it on the table. Now I use my whole hand to press harder. See what happened? The clay becomes flatter. When we use more force, the clay changes small.
Force has a dynamic influence on changing shape of an object. For instance, when you crumple this paper, it will change shapes like this.
Stretching an object are tension forces acting in opposite directions and stretch the object by pulling it apart. Squeezing force, also known as compression force, is the force that occurs when an object is pressed together, causing it to become shorter or compacted.
Breaking the sticks is an example of a tension force. When you bend the stick until it breaks, you are applying tension to its fibers, causing them to stretch beyond their elastic limit and eventually snap.
Push is a force that causes an object to move away from the person, while pull is a force when an object is moved towards the person.
Pounding a hammer transfers your energy to it, creating force that impacts whatever the hammer hits.
For example, I have a mortar here. I use this to hit the garlic repeatedly to make it crush like this.
Cause an object to rotate around their axis. Example, a wet towel.
This is twisting doorknob from science. When we press a doorknob, it has a force. It will be most effective in causing the door to rotate when applied force. And if we close it, it will apply force again.